How to fix if your microphone does not work for calls but actually works for other applications. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix if your microphone is working just fine for other apps but not whenever you're trying to make a call. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, so make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, you've not been able to hear the microphone for calls for multiple reasons. One is because if you're using a Bluetooth devices, first I would simply recommend you to turn that off, because when you have some of the Bluetooth devices, some operating systems do not support whenever you're on call to that particular device, and make sure that is not the case. The other thing is that you want to make sure that you don't have any of the recording applications turned on. So if you have a recording application turned on, that is going to use microphone in the background and it will not let the other application use microphone again. So two apps at the same time will not be able to simultaneously use the same permissions, so you have to be aware of that as well. After that, what you can do is you can see my call app over here. I'll just long press on it and I'll tap on the I button to go to the app info page. Once I go to the app info page, you can see all these options. Now you can go to permissions over here and you want to make sure you have allowed the microphone permissions, because if you have not allowed microphone, or you can see phone permissions over here, it will not be able to use that particular permissions as well. So you just want to make sure you have allowed the permissions. Once done, you can come back and then you can go to, you have to make sure to simply turn off this, which is remove permissions if app is in use. So you just have to make sure to turn off that one as well. After that, you can come to the option called storage and then clear some cache files if you want. You can also clear the data, but that could delete all of your call logs and so on. The other thing you can do is you can check if you have any type of SIM card issues or mobile network issues and then restart your Android phone. Restart will also most likely fix your problem. And after that, what you can do is you can open up settings again. Once you open up settings, go to the option called apps over here. Once you go to apps, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and go to the option called reset app preferences. Now this is reset all of the app preferences such as disable apps and so on, and even the permissions. So you just have to tap on the reset option and now you should try to place a call, and most likely this would definitely fix the issue. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.